Take a ride in the 2024 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, turbocharged, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain, privacy glass, 4-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.